taken me so long to do this. I'm falling asleep and I can't see straight. My muscles feel like a melee. My body's curled in a U shape. I put on my best, but I'm still afraid. Propped up by lies and promises, saving my place as life forgets. Maybe it's time I saw the world. I'm only here for a while, and patience is not my style. But I'm so tired that I gotta go. What am I supposed to hide now? What am I supposed to do? Did you really think I wouldn't see this through? Tell me I should stick around for you, and tell me I can have it all. I'm still too tired to care, and I gotta go. To go home in 1 week, but I'm leaving home in 3 weeks. They throw me a bone just to pick me dry. I'm following suit in direction. I crawl up inside for protection. I'm told what to do and I don't know why. I'm over existing in limbo. I'm over the myths and placebos. Don't really mind if I just fade away. I'm ready to live with my family. I'm ready to die in obscurity, 'cause I'm so tired that I gotta go. Where am I supposed to hide now? What am I supposed to do? Still don't think I'm gonna see this through. Tell me I'm a part of history. Tell me I can have it all. I'm still too tired to care, and I gotta go. I'm still too tired to care, and I gotta go.